Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about photosynthesis. Feel free to pause this video if you fall behind. So in my heading, I'm going to write photosynthesis, and our take is 7.5a, recognize radiant energy from the sun is transformed into chemical energy. So radiant / light energy initiates photosynthesis, okay? Photo means light, synthesis means to make or combine. Okay, so I'm going to draw another bullet point. Okay, light / radiant energy is converted into chemical energy. Okay, I'm gonna erase that because I don't know if some of you guys can read that. So chemical energy. Okay, what is chemical energy? This is whenever you put things together and it forms a new product. Okay, so for example, and when you have the reactants plus sunlight, you're going to form the products. So let's talk about that for a second. So I'm going to write down my equation for photosynthesis. Okay, you're going to have 6 carbon dioxides plus 6 water, H2O. Okay, and I'm going to draw an arrow here. Okay, and I'm going to form glucose plus 6 oxygens. So here in this arrow, when I combine these reactants, these are the reactants, so write reactants here, okay? And these are the products. When I combine the reactants with sunlight, this is sunlight here, I get the products, glucose, oxygen, okay? So when glucose is stored, okay, this is glucose, that's the plant's food, glucose, put in parentheses here, is stored, okay? Food, in parentheses, food for plant, okay? That is stored. H2O is not H2O, I'm sorry. Oxygen is released into the atmosphere. We inhale oxygen, okay? So let's draw our picture for photosynthesis. Draw a sun here. I always draw happy faces with my son. I'm gonna draw the ground. Okay, I'm gonna draw a plant. You can draw a flower, you can copy my plant, whatever you prefer, as long as you draw leaves. Okay, here's my beautiful plant. Okay, these are leaves right here. Okay, now I'm gonna draw some roots. I'm gonna draw my root system. Okay, so carbon dioxide, CO2. Okay, we exhale carbon dioxide. Okay, so plants need carbon dioxide to make photosynthesis. So the plant will inhale carbon dioxide from it into its leaves. Okay, radiant energy from the sun. I'm gonna write radiant energy here. Okay, so radiant energy is taken in by the chlorophyll inside the leaves, so it enters the leaves through the stomata, and then you have water. Okay, so it rains. It's a cloud, it's raining. Okay, raindrops, raindrops. Okay, this rain goes to the roots absorb the water, okay, the H2O through the roots, okay? So when you have carbon dioxide, water, plus radiant energy from the sun, you get glucose, okay? So glucose is stored in the plant. That's the plant's food. So glucose is formed, and then you have oxygen released, okay? Oxygen, which is O2, oxygen, okay? Okay, so let me show you my map. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Pause this video if you need to catch up, okay? Now, you will write a short summary about what you learned about photosynthesis today. If you write big like me, you might need to turn the page, write 2 to 3 sentences about photosynthesis.